Assalamu alaikum class. I'm Humaira Tahir, your English teacher. Due to the present closure of educational institutions, once again we are now meeting in our e-learning classes, and hopefully all of you will be enjoying good health and would be following the essential SOPs for the COVID-19 pandemic. May Allah protect us and keep us safe from this deadly disease. Ameen. We are going to continue our grammar lessons in Grammar Club. You need to open your books in chapter 2. Are you ready? Yes. Grammar Club chapter unit 2 we are now going to start. Right? Look at the pictures. These are the pictures of the players who are playing taekwondo, and they are expressing, they are showing different actions. Yeah, and there are certain things that we notice in these pictures. Look at picture number 1. This is a taekwondo class. All the students are wearing white suits. Now what we notice here, that all the students are wearing white suits. Now look at the third picture. All of the students are sitting on the floor. Yes, the thing common in these students are that they are sitting on the floor. Now look at the next picture. Most of the students are young. Some of the students are girls, and none of the students are wearing shoes. So these are the specific things when we are noticing from the pictures. In this unit, we look at how to use all of when we are talking about any group. Then there are certain things that we notice about some or few or most or all of the things or the units of that picture or group. So to talk about people or things in a group, we use all of the students, all of, most of, some of, and none of. So now you have noticed in the above pictures that few things are common in all students. Few things are common in most of the students. A few things are common in some of the students, and few things are not present or they are not associated with any of the students. Okay. Now come to the next page. Let's start. Where we use all of. Look at the picture. All of. We use all of to talk about everything or every person in a group. All of these, look at the picture, all of these students are wearing black belts. Now you understand what is common in all the students? That they are wearing black belts. Now come to the exercise. Here are few pictures given and we have to make sentences using all of and then describing the picture, what is common in all of the items given in the following pictures. And now you have to write sentences beginning with all of. For each sentence, use a noun from the box A and a word or phrase from the box B. Now, are you ready? Keep your pencils in your hand. Look at the first picture. Here, this is the picture of soldiers and they are marching. Marching means they are moving in a column and lines. So we can make a sentence taking a word from box A, that is soldier, and then we have to join it with a phrase to make a sentence. Okay, look at the first picture. All of these soldiers are marching. Now the common thing among the soldiers is that all of these soldiers are marching. They are moving in column and in lines. Written? Okay, now come to the second. This is a picture of birds and they are standing in water. So we can make a sentence that all of these birds are standing in the water. All of these birds are standing in the water. Now next, these are 3 glasses and all are full with milk. So we can make a sentence choosing phrase from box B. All of these glasses are full. All of these glasses are full. Number 4. Here are the flowers, sunflowers, and all of these flowers have yellow color. So you can write all of these flowers are yellow. Now the common thing between the all flowers is all of these flowers are yellow. Now last one, all of these firemen, these are firemen and they are all wearing helmets. So all of these firemen are wearing helmets. All of these firemen are wearing helmets. Have you done? Okay, now come to the next exercise. Before going to next exercise, let us see. We are now going to use the phrase not, none of. None means not of, no one. We use none of to make a negative sentence about the things or people in a group. When a plural countable noun comes after none of, we use a plural verb. None of these trees have leaves. Now here we are using have as, and taken the none of as a plural. None of these trees have leaves. As it is autumn and leaves have fallen away, so we have make the sentence none of these trees have leaves. Understand? Now come to the exercise. Read these sentences, then write sentences that mean the same thing beginning with none. And we can take words from the box. Number 1, all of the people are standing up. None of the people are sitting down. If everyone is standing, then no one is sitting. So it's obvious. All of the people are standing. Have this. We can make a negative sentence like this. None of the people are sitting down. All of these dishes are dirty. So it means none of these dishes are clean. If every dish is dirty, then none of the dishes are clean. All of those cups are full. None of those cups are empty. All of the children are asleep. None of the children are awake. All of these clothes are wet. None of these clothes are dry. Done? Now, the meaning of sentence A have the same meaning as sentence B. Next, now where we use some of. We use some of to talk about the part of the group of people or things or unspecified, unspecified for number of things that are we are talking about. For example, some of the windows are open. Now, we are not exactly confirmed that how many windows are open, but we can say that some of the windows are open. Now, look at exercise C. Complete these sentences using and some of, and use the words in the box. The words given are in the box. We can use those words to make our sentences. Look at sentence number 1. Some of these toys are old and some of these toys are new. Now you are using and with some of. Some are old and some are new. So you can make the sentence, some of these toys are new. Some of the people arrived early and some of the people arrived late. If some are early, then some are late. Some of my friends are boys and some of my friends are girls. Some of the people said yes, and some of the people said no. Some of the lights are on, and some of the lights are off. Now you understand? Okay. Now we have, up till now, we have completed exercises, unit 2, exercise A, B, and C. Now this is your home task that you have to complete all these 3 exercises, and also you have to prepare them for the test, because tomorrow inshallah I'll send you a worksheet regarding these 3 exercises. Here we have learned about where to use all of, none of, and some of. Now you must know how to make sentences using these phrases. Understand? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow, inshallah.